you have done, sir. But it is very sad, sir. It is very sad. It is very sad. Sir, they are giving the slogan, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी. तानाशाही तो ये करते आए हैं, ये करो. 10 साल तानाशाही करे. अभी भी तानाशाही कर रहे हैं. क्या है सर? सर, हमारे पास उर्दू में एक मुहावरा है सर, गैरों पे तनकीद करने से पहले अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखो बोलते हैं. तो आई वुड एडवाइज द बीआरएस पीपल तो अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखिए. अरे हमको बोलने दीजिए सर. इफ नॉट दिस फोरम, वेयर शुड वी गो सर? 10 years they enjoyed the fruits, sir, of power. Not only enjoying, sir, their 7th generation can enjoy that much. They have looted the state, sir. I would come on record and say, sir, it is unfair not to allow us, sir. Sir, the land is a valuable and finite resource that is under immense pressure due to the growing demand of the society. With land value steadily rising, it is imperative to maintain accurate records of rights, ROR and survey records to ensure proper land management and governance. So this bill has been drafted by present Congress government apparently to address the lacuna in the Telangana Right in Land and Pattadar Passbook Act 2020 enacted with a provision of BRS government in October 2020 and replacing the earlier Act of 1971, sir. So the 2020 Act was intended to issue Pattadar Passbook, come title deeds to all the landowners and provide for automatic acquisition of rights immediately after transfer of property. However, the 2020 Act, which introduced Dharani portal, caused numerous hardship to the landowners, and there was no redressal mechanism for correcting the errors in Dharani, sir. Almost, sir, 18.37 lakh acre of land pertaining to 11.62 lakh khatas were digitally not signed and thus kept in Part B, sir, in Dharani. It is very sad, sir. Consequently, farmers who were cultivating the land found their land being kept in Part B and not issued new Pattadar passbooks, sir. If a part of land in a survey number was assigned or government or endowment or work land, then entire survey numbers were entered in the prohibited properties list and there were no provision for adjudicating of Part B cases, sir. Sir, the 2020 Act sought to clear 9 lakhs applications covering an extent of 10 lakhs acres for regularization and unregistered sale, Sada Bainami, by the small and marginal farmers, but it could not be done as there was no provision for the same in the Act. There was no provision, sir. That is why we are bringing in this, sir. Sir, moreover, there was no record of right of Abadi and non-agricultural land, and there was also mismatch to extend the Setwar RSR resurvey settlement register or field survey of land records covering an extent of 5.83 lakh acres, sir. So there was no provision, sir, in 2020 Act for appeal and revision, and land governance became centralized at district and state level, and there was no land machinery at the village level as the previous government had also enacted Telangana Abolition of Post of Village Officer Act 2020, sir. बड़े ही मंसूबाबंद अंदाज में लूटने के लिए और तबाही मचाने के लिए ये विलेज ऑफिसर्स